Click on it, and as you can see here, you have the option to change it to light or dark mode, and as you can see, Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can change your theme color on Arc browser. So in the past, in a previous video, we have gone through how you can set your Arc browser to dark mode, and for this video it will undergo the same things because Arc browsers changing theme colors and setting it to dark mode is different compared to using Google Chrome. So let's say we want to change the theme color. Let's open it again. All we need to do is just right click here, and then you just go and click edit theme color. Click on it, and as you can see here, you have the option to change it to light or dark mode, and as you can see a color now. I don't know what's happening here to this blank space, but it's probably in lieu to Taylor Swift. I don't know. So you can change the, what do you call that? The hue. I have no experience with colors and the jargons behind it, but you can see that it changes by dragging this bar left or right wherever you want it. So you can adjust the color that you want. Try and set it to blue, or to do that, you can put it on dark mode, go to blue, and then there's blue, and then put it on full, and as you can see, it's now set on blue. Yeah, something like that. That's it. That is how you can set your theme color on Arc browser. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.